Hey everyone, it's Your Name here. I hope you're all doing well and staying warm. Winter is coming, and while that means cozy nights by the fireplace, sipping on hot cocoa and enjoying the serene beauty of snow-covered landscapes, it also means dealing with treacherous road conditions. Snow and ice can make driving a real challenge, turning even the shortest trips into a nerve-wracking experience. But fear not, fellow drivers. With a little preparation and the right mindset, you can face these challenges head-on. With the right precautions, like equipping your car with snow tires and ensuring your vehicle is winter-ready, you can navigate those snowy streets like a pro. Remember to always drive cautiously and be aware of your surroundings. Buckle up, because we're about to conquer the cold. Stay tuned for some essential winter driving tips and tricks that will keep you safe and confident on the road. Let's make this winter season not just bearable, but enjoyable and safe for everyone. Let's kick things off with the foundation of safe winter driving. Your tires. When the temperature drops and roads become treacherous, having the right tires can make all the difference. Winter tires aren't just about driving on snow. They are specifically designed to handle the unique challenges of winter conditions. They're about maintaining grip on cold, icy surfaces, which can be incredibly slippery and dangerous. The rubber compounds in winter tires remain flexible even in freezing temperatures, providing better traction. Make sure you've got a good set with plenty of tread depth and you'll be off to a great start. Tread depth is crucial because it helps channel snow, slush and water away from the tire, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. Regularly check your tire pressure too, as it can drop with the temperature, affecting performance. Investing in quality winter tires is not just about compliance with the law in some regions. It's about ensuring your safety and the safety of others on the road. So before the first snowfall, make sure your vehicle is equipped with the right tires to handle whatever winter throws your way. Cruise control is tempting, especially on long winter drives, but on winter roads, it can be downright dangerous. Instead, keep your foot on the gas pedal and stay alert. A little extra effort goes a long way in winter driving. Keeping your gas tank at least half full during winter is about more than just avoiding the inconvenience of low fuel warnings. It's a crucial step in ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and safely during the colder months. One of the main reasons for this is to prevent a frozen fuel line. When temperatures drop, the fuel lines in your car can freeze if there's not enough fuel in the tank. Condensation can build up inside a low tank, especially when the weather fluctuates between freezing and thawing. This moisture can freeze, creating blockages that prevent fuel from reaching the engine. By keeping your tank at least half full, you minimize the amount of air in the tank, reducing the chance of condensation forming. This simple habit can save you from the hassle and potential danger of being stranded in freezing conditions. So, next time you see your fuel gauge dipping towards empty, remember that topping up isn't just about avoiding a trip to the gas station. It's about ensuring your car remains reliable and safe throughout the winter season. Picture this, you're driving and a chunk of snow flies off the car in front of you. Visibility goes out the window, creating a hazard. Clear off your entire car to prevent these surprise snow showers. Turn on your headlights, even during the day. Winter conditions can create low contrast environments, making it harder for drivers to spot other vehicles. By turning on your headlights, you're making it easier for others to see you. It's all about increasing awareness and reducing the risk of accidents. Let's talk about braking. Smooth and gradual are the names of the game. Anticipate your stops, apply the brakes gently, and give yourself plenty of distance. If you skid, stay calm, steer in the direction you want to go, and avoid overcorrecting. Even the most experienced winter drivers can encounter unexpected situations. Assemble a winter car kit with essentials like warm blankets, snacks, water, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. Think of it as your personal winter survival kit. Tailgating is a big no-no, especially in winter. Slippery roads mean you need more time and distance to react. Give yourself plenty of space to prevent accidents. Slow down. Winter weather is anything but ideal. Reduce your speed and give yourself extra time to reach your destination. Smooth and controlled movements are crucial in winter. Sudden turns, aggressive acceleration and abrupt braking can cause skidding. Make gradual turns, accelerate gently and brake smoothly. So, there you have it folks, our top do's and don'ts for mastering winter driving. Drive smart, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe for more driving tips and adventures. Until next time, happy motoring!